BEE432370 will be presenting the problem statement, project background, and also the objective of our project. Our project is a simple calculator operation system that was designed to calculate a simple calculation that helps avoid human mistakes. This project enables performing functioning addition, subtraction using the STM32 Cortex-M that able to do arithmetic operation equation. Next is our problem statement. That leads us to make this project. Most of us make mistakes in calculation part if using a manual method. So if there were a simple calculation, we might be able to solve it. But if there were involved in a lot of numbers, we tend to make some mistakes. Therefore, we are presenting a simple calculator that can calculate automatically by using Kale, UVision 5, and Proteus software for simulation. This simple calculator with addition and subtraction only. Next is for the objective. We want to learn about the STM32, which can use to build many types of projects. Next, to learn how to use and how to display the LCD. Furthermore, we want to ensure the output system indicate the actual results surrounding. Next is to understand the programming language in Kale UVision 5 software and to learn how to use the Proteus build circuits. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Aliza, and today I will be discussing the methodology and essential components of our project, a simplified calculator system using Kale with Cortex-M3. The methodology. The goal of this project is to create arithmetic equations that can be used to solve addition and subtraction problems. The proposed solutions would ensure that the system can calculate automatically, and the system is designed to avoid the human error or mistake in the operations involving large values. Next part is main components. In this project, we employ three essential components, which is first, Cortex-M3, second, push button, last but not least, the LCD. Let's go through one by one. Okay, first, Cortex-M3. For the system design, this component was used as a microprocessor. It would simulate all the process systems in order to achieve the desired output using the code created by the user. Second is push button. In this arrangement, there were 7 push buttons. The component would be the user's input indicator. They have 4 push buttons that serve as the input component, allowing the user to enter the number or digit to be calculated. The operations add and minus are controlled by 2 push buttons, while the clear button is controlled by the last push button. Okay, third, the last component is LCD, where the value of the equations would be shown on the LCD for the users to see. Based on the user's input, it will display the values in the entire number. Afterwards, I will give this presentation to NAJIHAH. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL binti Muhammad RADZI, and now I will proceed our presentation with presenting our block diagram. We use 3 block diagram here, which is input, process, and also the output. For the input, we use 7 buttons. We use STM32 ARM Cortex as our process, and also we use LCD display to display our output. Next, I will show you the flowchart of our project. This is the flowchart of our project. Since the flowchart of our project is quite long, so I will just explain the flow of our project in the simulation part. We go straight to the simulation. So this is the circuit of our project that we created using Proteus. The coding for this simulation is created using the Q software. As you can see right here, we use LCD display as our output, STM32 Cortex as the process, and also the 7 button right here as the input. I will run the simulation. So as you can see, when we run the simulation, the LCD display will display the calculator, and then we need to push this 4 button right here, which is for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this 2 button is for the operation, which is plus and minus. And the last push button right here for the clear push button, which means if we click the push button, it will clear the number and also the operation that we have made just now. As you can see, this is how our project will simulate. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, Jihab. Hi, once again, my name is Aliza. And before we end this video, I'd want to give you an overview of the project. This project development process is giving us a fundamental knowledge of a microprocessor by using the ARM Cortex-M3 CPU. This project is a simple ARM architecture-based system that does not necessitate many complex components or coding. The completed work has been thoroughly tested and the project's goal has been made. That's all we have to say. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new from our video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks. Bye.